Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to create database metadata for Hyperion. First, we need to check database is working or not. Just take all this command, copy, and execute as Oracle user. Okay. And write command start up. If database is working, the result will be that database is currently working, but by this output, database was not working. So it started successfully. We need also to start listener, go to database home, in listener command, this one. Okay, copy this URL. Sorry, write exit, and then write this command. This one, and write start to start the listener. Okay, listener started successfully. Take this command to make directory, create a new directory for table space that we will create. Okay, we do this, all of this command. Okay, about export, Oracle unique name, and Oracle base, and Oracle home, Oracle SID. Okay, we do all this command here. Okay, write this command now to start SQL developer. Started successfully. Open SQL worksheet. You'll find a file called creating metadata. This is for creating metadata for our Hyperion illustration. Take this file, copy, and paste it here, and execute script. The script executed successfully for creating table spaces and user, and grant for this user many users created here, and last command for alter profile to make the profile password not expired. Okay, so currently we finished the step of creating database metadata for Hyperion. Okay, then we need to download and execute post installation patches. We have post installation patches and post configuration patches. Okay, you need to download these patches. Okay, already written here. Okay, as we downloaded this patch before. Okay, as we discussed before in last video. Okay, if you not able to download these patches, contact to me. Okay, and I will share these patches with you. Okay, we need to go to this file. Sorry, just folder here, okay, and drag drop patches that we will run. First patch 221. This patch drag and drop here, okay. Then execute this command using Oracle user. We'll close SQL developer, clear, okay. Execute this patch. First one, take it copy, command o patch, okay. This patch that we will apply it. Then the EBM system path, okay. Then GDK path, okay. Then our Aura instead location path. Take this copy, execute it. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, patch succeeded. Second patch 737. We need to move it. This one, drag and drop. Then execute the command for it. Yes. Okay. Next patch 779. This one, drag and drop. Execute it. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Succeeded. Next patch 130. Drag and drop and execute it. Yes. Succeeded. Next patch 587. This one, drag and drop. Execute it. You want to proceed? Yes. Succeeded. Okay, then we need to remove all these patches from OPatch directory. We can select all this patch and right click delete or execute this command one by one, remove the patch directory, okay, to free up space inside our machine. Currently, we finish this video. See you in next video.